smaller because I actually had Jala. See the difference, size difference in there? That actually go on top and actually cover over it. And the same with the other one because they're actually the same size. So I just move that out of the way. It's actually really old. It's actually like £63 to actually get the Jala on Amazon.co.uk. So yeah. I mean, I expected different from this. I thought it was just going to be like that, and I thought it was going to be better. You know what I mean? Because like it's actually different. So yeah, just connect it in like this. Just goes in like that. And now you want to connect it to the other spare bowl thing on the top. 2 seconds. I just done a video fail. So the foot has actually fallen off. It shouldn't happen to you. There we go. Thank you for watching. And before we go, don't forget you can use this part here, which you get from Scroll, which can go underneath there, so it's like under instead of there. You can use this part, golden part here, which actually goes on there. You can also get them that goes on the arms. And you can also use this part here, and it'll just go on to the hand. You can use it as a shield. It just goes on top of that other hand there. Okay then, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.